how to create goals in ClickUp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create and use goals in ClickUp. So goals in ClickUp are designed to help you track progress toward larger objectives by breaking them down into a measurable targets. This makes it much easier to stay focused and motivated while working toward completion. Each target contributes to the overall progress of the goal, and ClickUp automatically tracks how close you are to the completion. And targets can be measured in different ways, such as numbers, yes or no completion, currency, and other method. So before you go, you can just create a task. So because it will be added to your goals, it will be connected to your goals. So I have some tasks, but I'm gonna add more. Maybe you know, mm, rewrite the transcript just like that. So for example, and then after you create some tasks, you can just go ahead to the left side and you will find more. If you don't have on this one, you can click more and you will find spaces, chat, and others. But we're gonna go to goals here, and then as you can see, make your goals a reality. You can just set a goal here, and then you can choose the name for the goal, maybe just testing, I don't know, GG for example, and then click OK. And for the owner, you can choose yourself or your team, your coworkers. Then click OK. And then who has access to this goal? You can choose your own space or private. I will choose uh, my workspace, this one. And then is there a date this goal should be completed by? I'm gonna add a date, or if you don't want to edit, it's up to you. I'm gonna add this and the description of the goal, it's up to you. I'm gonna leave it blank. And then this is your goals. You have created a goals. And then to achieve the goals, you need create target. So you can create target here. And then you can just target name, maybe testing one, just for example. And then for the owner, you can choose your own yourself or your coworkers. And then you can choose the type of target. You can choose number or true false, maybe number or currency or task. I'm gonna choose maybe true false. And this is your goals and this is your target. You can add more target to achieve your goal. And yeah, maybe you can explore more. I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.